And in the capital, doctors and healthcare workers at two major hospitals in the capital are threatening to withdraw their services if their salaries are not paid. They say they haven't been paid for over 3 months and they are struggling to provide for their families' basic needs.
मैं डॉक्टर अभिमन्यु सरदाना आरडीए प्रेसिडेंट और मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हम लोग यहाँ हिंदूराव हॉस्पिटल में एक प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सिंबॉलिक प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। हर रोज़ पिछले 2 हफ्ते से कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें हमारी सैलरीज़ नहीं दी गई हैं। पिछले 4 महीने से हमें हमारा वेतन नहीं मिला है, जो कि हमारा एक बेसिक राइट है। और इसके लिए हम एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन डेली कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर 2 घंटे के लिए। और हम लोग हमेशा अपनी डिमांड्स ये रख रहे हैं कि हमें अपनी सैलरी दे दीजिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारी कोई सुनवाई नहीं हो रही है पिछले 2 हफ्ते से। और हम लगे हुए हैं और आज हम लोग इतने मजबूर हो चुके हैं कि कल से हम अपनी कोविड सर्विसेज से विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। हम सारे लोगों रेजिडेंट लोगों का ये डिसीजन एक कंबाइंड डिसीजन है कि हम लोग कोविड सर्विसेज से विड्रॉ करेंगे कल रविवार सुबह 9 बजे से।
2 अस्पतालों के बारे में पढ़ा है, आज अखबारों में जो छपा है, हिंदूराव हॉस्पिटल और कस्तूरबा हॉस्पिटल, उन दोनों के अंदर इन्होंने सैलरीज नहीं दी हैं। तो मेरा यही कहना है कि सैलरीज दें, अगर नहीं दे पा रहे हैं तो दिल्ली सरकार को अस्पताल दे दें, हम देख लेते हैं। इस टाइम पर हिंदूराव में 20 पेशेंट हैं, कोविड के 20 पेशेंट हैं, जिसको हमने आदेश दिए हैं कि उनको दिल्ली सरकार के अस्पतालों में शिफ्ट किया जाए। जिसका है उसी की जिम्मेदारी है, अगर उसकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं संभाल रही तो हम लेने को तैयार हैं। हमने कभी हमें दे दीजिए, आपसे समय संभाल रहा है।
My colleague Akshay has been following this protest right from the start. Akshay, certainly disheartening. You have these corona warriors at the front line of our fight against the spread of the coronavirus, and they've been working without salaries. But where does the buck stop?
Well, the buck only stops if the authorities, the MCD, the Delhi government rise above this politics that is going on right now and come together on the terms, on equal terms, that they will be helping the doctors and the healthcare workers who are struggling without salary for approximately 4 months now. On 15th of October, it will be 4 months that the Hindu hospital doctors and nurses have not been paid even a single rupee. Their past arrears are still are not being paid by the MCD authorities there. The mayor yesterday, when he met the doctors, he met with the nurses, but he clearly said one thing, that I don't have money. How will I pay you the salaries? And he asked for a couple of more months to earn some revenues and then pay all the doctors their salaries. At this point of time, what we realize is that all the doctors are struggling as far as their own services are concerned. We have seen that how from the very beginning there has always been a ratio of 1 doctor to several patients, and it has always been difficult, now be it the major cities like Delhi or rural areas. But at a point in time like this, if the governments cannot come on terms, different political parties are still involving in politics at this point, even at the question of salary payment of the doctor, then this is definitely a big issue, and it in fact is very, very petty politics that is going on right now. So all of these political parties will have to come on the same platform, and they will have to come think about a solution, because from tomorrow onwards, Hindu hospital doctors are stopping their COVID services. The patients there are being shifted to Delhi government hospitals, but this is not a solution, and the government will have to provide a solution to all of these doctors.
Thanks so much, Akshay, for that. Of course, if any one of us had to go without our salaries for 3 to 4 months, we'll be thinking a lot differently about this story.